Welcome to Language Launchpad. Hi, little learners. I am Chotu, and today we will learn about some amazing animals. Let's learn about two kinds of animals today: domestic animals and wild animals. Domestic animals live with us as pet or near our homes. We see them often. They are friendly, helpful, and not dangerous. Do you know some domestic animals? This is a dog. Dogs are friendly and protect our homes. This is a cat. Cats love to curl up. This is a cow. Cows give us milk. This is a goat. Goats also give us milk. Next is sheep. The sheep have soft wool that we use to make warm clothes. We call them domestic animals because domestic animals help us in many ways. Sometimes they are even our pets. Now let's get ready to meet some wild animals next. These animals live in forests, not in our homes. They are big, strong, and sometimes dangerous, so we watch them from far away. Let's see who they are. Look, this is a lion. And they make the sound like. The lion is called the king of the jungle. This is an elephant. And they make the sound like. Elephants are big and strong. And they have long trunks. Can you see the animal? That has black and white stripes. And they make the sound like. This is a zebra. Look at this wild animal. It is so tall and it has a very long neck to eat leaves from tall trees. The animal is called Giraffe. This is deer. It runs very fast and has beautiful horns. Little learner, these are called wild animals. They live in the jungle or zoo. Now it's time to listen to a fun poem.
Domestic animals live near and play. Dogs and cats brighten our day. Cows and goats give milk to drink. Sheep give wool soft as you think. Wild animals roam far and free. Lions, elephants, all we see. Zebras, giraffe, deer on the run. Learning about animals is so much fun. Domestic animals live near and play. Dogs and cats brighten our day. Cows and goats give milk to drink. Sheep give wool soft as you think. Wild animals roam far and free. Lions, elephants, all we see. Zebras, giraffes, deer on the run. Learning about animals is so much fun.
Let's remember. Domestic animals live near our homes. They are friendly, help us in many ways, and some are kept as pets. Wild animals live in the jungle. They are big, strong, and a little scary, so they live far from people. Little learners, now you know about domestic and wild animals. Great job! Did you enjoy watching this video? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and exciting videos.